I'm Ski,
Hi, I'm Connor.
and welcome back to Cooking with
Ski.
and Connor. Today, we have a very special guest.
I'm Spider-Man.
Today, we're going to be using my grandmother's
My great-grandma's.
recipe from France.
We're making a quiche.
The first thing you need to do is
Wash your hands.
gotta do what Spider-Man says.
And preheat your oven to 375. Per quiche, you're gonna need
A pie dish,
pie crust,
3 eggs, and a bowl to mix them in,
nutmeg to taste,
1 cup of whipping cream.
salt and pepper also to taste,
You're also gonna need a filling. We're gonna do 1 quiche with spinach.
another quiche with sharp cheddar,
We're gonna put Swiss cheese with the spinach.
and we're gonna put the best thing ever that happened to mankind, bacon, with the other.
Cook 1 cup of chopped bacon.
Lightly saute a handful of spinach. If you're using rolled pie crust, very carefully roll them out and put them in your pie dish.
This isn't going how I imagined. There's been a murder. Next, put 3 eggs in a mixing bowl.
You're yucky.
You're yucky.
I'm beautiful.
There's a tab that you pull. Just in case you didn't know.
Add in 1 cup of whipping cream.
And make sure to mix it really well.
Add in a pinch of nutmeg.
Add some salt and pepper to taste.
If you're using block cheese, make sure you either shred it or slice it up,
Layer your bacon.
or spinach at the bottom of the pie.
Make sure to evenly distribute it. And don't forget to put your cheese in.
Carefully pour the eggs in over the ingredients, making sure to not let the pie dishes overflow. Now roll down the edges of the pie crust.
Now bake for 35 minutes or until fully cooked.
Once your pies are in there, reduce the heat to 350 and bake for 35 minutes or until fully cooked. Oh, these look beautiful. When they're fully cooked, take them out of the oven.
And let them cool for 15 to 20 minutes.
The moment of truth.
Ooh la la, this is delightful.
Indubitably.
Nerds.
This is so good.